Today, we have a 2025 Forest River Wildwood travel trailer. This 32 Veranda is 37 feet and 10 inches in length, has a dry weight of 8,993 pounds, and can sleep up to 4 guests comfortably. The exterior of this travel trailer features a front pass-through compartment, a 20-foot electric awning, and large deck area in the rear. The rear deck area features a griddle, sink, and small fridge. Moving inside the unit, we see the rear living area, large island, and kitchen area. The living area features the large L-shaped sofa and the entertainment center. The entertainment center includes a large LED TV and electric fireplace. To the right of the sofa is the pantry closet and 12-volt refrigerator. To the right of the fridge is the 3-burner range, over-the-range microwave, large single-bowl sink, and cabinets for storage. Moving towards the front of the unit, we see the bathroom on the left of the hallway. The room features a backlit vanity mirror, sink area with storage space underneath, walk-in shower, and porcelain foot flush toilet. Finally, in the very front of the unit is the master bedroom. This room features a king-size versatilt bed, overhead cabinets and closet near bed, and wardrobe that is prepped for a washer and dryer. For more info or pricing on this unit, please visit our website or give us a call.